Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers on the grill. First, select quality ground beef, ideally with an 80/20 fat ratio for optimal flavor and juiciness. Next, prepare your grill by cleaning the grates thoroughly and preheating it to a medium-high temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Having all your ingredients ready, like buns, cheese, and your favorite toppings, will make the grilling process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's talk about forming the perfect patties. Gently shape your ground beef into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make them slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink a bit during cooking. A crucial tip is to press a shallow indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from puffing up into a ball. Season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. It's time to hit the grill. Place your seasoned patties directly over medium-high heat. Resist the urge to press down on them, as this squeezes out valuable juices. For that ideal crust and even cooking, flip your burgers only once. Cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for a safe and delicious meal. Add cheese during the last minute of cooking for a perfect melt. Once your burgers are cooked, let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly flavorful and moist. While they rest, lightly toast your buns on the grill for a minute or two. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Assemble your masterpiece with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great car air fresheners and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.